It's earnings season week number 2, and here's a breakdown of the US companies reporting earnings this week. We're talking about January 20th till 2025. Keep in mind that the exact expected results are often proprietary, but I'll provide consensus EPS estimates where I can. Okay, so today, the 20th of January, we have nothing because the market is closed, and also we have inauguration day of the newly elected president Donald J. Trump. But tomorrow, Tuesday, January 21st, we have Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX, which is a streaming giant actually, expected to report a EPS around $4.20 a share. Key focus will be on subscribers growth and competition in the streaming space. Next there will be Charles Schwab, ticker symbol SCHW, brokerage and financial service, expected to report a EPS around $0.89. Investors will be watching for trends and trading activity and asset management, of course. Next up will be 3M, the ticker symbol, you guessed it, 3 times M, so MMM, industrial conglomerate, one of the biggest there is, expected to report a EPS around 1.67. This report will give insight into the manufacturing sector and global economic conditions. Next up, DR Horton, ticker symbol DHI, home builder, expected a EPS around $2.38 a share, and the housing market is a key economic indicator, so this report will be closely watched. Then we have one of the airliners, which is United Airlines Holdings, ticker symbol UAL, expected to report a EPS around $2.93 a share. The travel sector is recovering, so this report provides insights to the travel demand and fuel costs. After that, we have a regional bank, Fifth Third Bancorp, ticker symbol FITB, expected to report a EPS around $0.88 a share. KeyCorp, ticker symbol KEY, regional bank, expected to report a EPS around $0.33 a share. And Prologis, ticker symbol PLD, which is a real estate investment trust, basically a REIT, focus on logistics, expected to report a EPS around $0.71 a share. Up next is Wednesday, January 22nd, where we have Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG, consumer goods giant, expected to report a EPS around $1.87 a share. This report will reflect consumer spending trends and inflation. Then we have one of the big pharmaceutical, healthcare and pharmaceutical companies out there, Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ, expect to report a $2.02 a share. The healthcare sector is always in focus, and this report will provide insights into the pharmaceutical sales and medical device demand. After that, we have ABT Abbott Laboratories, healthcare and medical devices, expect to report a $1.34 a share, followed by one of the biggest insurers out there, Progressive, ticker symbol PGR, expect to report a $3.53 a share, which shouldn't be influenced by the LA fires. Then we have Epinol, ticker symbol APH, electronic and interconnected solutions, expected to report a $0.5 a share. After that, Kinder Morgan, KMI, pipeline and energy infrastructure, expect to report a $3.4 a share. Then another insurer, Travelers Company, ticker symbol TRV, expected to report a $6.56 a share. United Rentals, URI, ticker symbol, expected to report a $11.75 a share. After that, we have Discover Financial Services, DFC, expected to report a $3.2 a share. Also, one of the big oilfield services, which is Halliburton, expected to report a $0.7 a share. Now, let's move on to Tuesday. Oh, and by the way, I almost missed one big one. It is GV Vernovo, which is a global leader in the electronic power industry with products and services that generate, transfer, convert, and store electricity. Also, I am a shareholder of GV. They are expected to report a $2.47 a share. Then on Tuesday, we have GE, which is General Electrics. Well, they are basically a designer and manufacturer of and servicing large aircraft engines, along with partners Safran in their CFM joint venture. They are expected to report a $1.05 a share. Then we have United Pacific, ticker symbol UNP, which is the largest public railroad in North America. They're expected to report a $2.92 a share. After that, we have American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL, expected to report a $0.93 a share, and you guessed it, it's the world's largest airline by aircraft capacity and scheduled revenue passenger per miles. After that, we have Evolent's Health, expected to report a $3.87 a share. Evolent's Health remains one of the leading health insurers in the US, providing medical benefits for almost 47 million medical members as of December 2023. Then in the after hours, we have Texas Instrumental Incorporated, ticker symbol TXN, which is, well, a semiconductor, and they are in the semiconductor business, and they are expected to report a EPS of $1.20 a share. And then on Friday, we have American Express, NextEra Energy, and ACA Healthcare. And I'm going to come back and report on most of these earnings. I'm going to come back with some videos, giving my own 2 cents on how they reported and what was expected, where they succeeded and where they failed. Also, most important thing is their outlook, because what the companies do in the future impacts their price. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.